always says to me in the hallway, don't worry about that kid, he's a fucking asshole.
Well, he is.
Totally. Are you dancing or are you excited for eating?
A little bit of both.
A little bit of both?
Little column A and little column B. Yeah. Yeah. Yeah.
Put my dirty hands on.
Well, they see these are things that we use all the time, and they want what we have.
Kai loves playing with my BlackBerry.
But you have a lot of things, but that's like probably the one big thing. This has got buttons on it, lights up.
That's a great pose.